When somebody gives you a free piece of furniture, you better have a plan, and I really have a great one for this tiny table.
Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Melissa, owner and artist of the Top Drawer RVA here in Richmond, Virginia. And for today's flip in under 10 minutes, we are going to take this beautiful free table that I got from Marketplace and make it over. Structurally, this little piece is sound. It's in great shape other than peeling on the top of this piece. If you look closely, this is like an enamel top coat over top of a particle board. So along with some new hardware, we are going to be using chalk mineral paint to paint this tiny table. Let's start off with some minor repairs to the top of this table before we begin to paint. If you look closely at the top of this table, you can see where the particle board has lifted to create a small bubble. You can simply sand that back with your sander to a flat surface, clean with white lightning, and then prime it with bonding boss. By simply sanding this area and creating a nice flat surface, you will not see the damage underneath the paint. If by chance there was any holes or divots in the top of this table, you could simply fill them in with Dixie Belle's mud before you begin, gently sanding back to flat before the paint is laid down. Since this table is a shiny laminate style material as well as the failing finish on the top of this piece, we will need to prime with bonding boss before we begin. Using a bonding primer that is going to lock in that top surface before you begin to paint. Because if you did not prime this to seal in that damaged area, you're going to come into a problem where that surface could continue to lift and bubble. Bonding boss is available in 3 colors: white, gray, and clear. It really doesn't matter what color you choose for the base of this project, but you do need to know some simple facts about bonding boss. You can use any object that you like to apply, whether it be a roller or a brush. For this project, I'm using a foam roller that I can just simply dispose of afterwards. Paint on 2 even coats and wait 24 hours before you begin to paint. That is a very important fact. Now that our 24 hours has elapsed, we are going to jump into a brand new color. This is called Kindling. This is a brand new paint color from Dixie Belle Paint. Dixie Belle Paint has released 5 new colors in the spring of 2026. Let's learn a little bit about chalk mineral paint. This chalk mineral paint contains 0 VOCs, which means that it is safe to use indoors around your pets and your family. For chalk mineral paint, you can use any style of brush you like. For today's project, I'll be using a flat medium brush made of synthetic fibers. I will be applying 2 even coats to this small table, sanding lightly in between coats to make sure there are no little lumps and bumps in my surface. I don't want you to be scared of all those little lines that you're seeing right now on your project because that is totally normal on the first coat of paint. For the cleanest, smoothest surface, you can make sure to sand in between coats of paint to get that nice, soft surface. It's also going to take a little bit more paint to cover up that light primer. Using a dark chalk mineral paint always takes a couple extra coats to cover on top of a light primer. This water-based chalk mineral paint will take approximately 30 days to cure. When you are finished applying 2 even coats of your chalk mineral paint, you can choose to seal this in any way that you would like. You can use Dixie Belle's wax or hemp oil or even one of their clear coats. Right now you can see me spraying my little brush with misting bottle filled with water. Why am I doing this? Well, on the second coat, I like to dilute my paint a little bit to get a thinner coverage and a smoother surface. After I finished applying my 2 even coats, I did come in and add a transfer, and when I want to add a transfer, I usually seal with satin clear coat. So that's what I did for this small project. I sealed the entire piece in satin clear coat. On the top of this table, I wanted to add just a little bit more detail. I had one partial piece left of a beautiful transfer called My Favorite Bouquet. So I'm going to apply this partial piece of transfer to one top piece of the table. It's going to add a little bit of detail and some fun to look at. When applying my Dixie Belle satin top coat, I like to use a blue sponge dampened with a little bit of water and wipe it on over the entire surface. Since this little table was missing hardware, I decided to replace it with 3 new pieces of hardware that I picked up off of Amazon. This new color Kindling is absolutely beautiful. I like to think it's a purple hue, but in some light it does look a little bit brown. I am loving that pop of florals on the top of this little table and its coordinating purple colors. So the next time you see a free table up on Facebook Marketplace or at a yard sale or even on the side of the road, grab it, bring it home, and give it a makeover with just a little bit of paint.